Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hopefully, everyone is fine. In this lecture, we are going to start and discuss past tense, the four aspects of past tense: past indefinite tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Dear students, past indefinite tense is the first aspect. In Urdu, it is called Pele Mazi Mutlik. The definition of this tense is if a work is or action is started in the past tense and finished in the same time, these type of sentences or these kind of sentences are called past indefinite tense sentences. What is its identity in Urdu? The Urdu sentence is having te the, ta tha, ti thi, karte the, liya, diya, kiya, soya. Ending is mostly incomplete, but sometimes tha, the, thi is also used at the end of Urdu sentence of past indefinite tense. Look at the examples. मैंने दूध पिया था. मैंने दूध पिया था. हमने मैच हारा. मैंने एक सांप देखा. उसने मेरा कलम चुराया था. Dear students, second form of verb is used in the positive sentence of past indefinite tense. The helping verb for negative and interrogative sentence is used and it is did with first form of verb. Dear students, now here you are seeing the second form of verb which is also called V2. V2 means past form of verb. Drank, ate, flew, went, bought, gave, and broke. In the positive sentences of past indefinite, these forms are used. The sentence structure or formation is subject, then second form of verb, and then object. We use did for making negative with all singular and plural subjects, and did at the beginning and question mark at the end with first form of verb to make question. Look at the positive sentences of past indefinite tense. मैंने दूध पिया था. I drank milk. हमने मैच जीता. We won the match. तुमने इनाम हासिल किया. You got the prize. हमाद ने मेरा कलम चुराया. हमाद stole my pen. मैंने मेहनत की. I worked hard. उसने ख़त लिखा. He wrote a letter. Look at all these forms. They are the second forms of verb. Look at the negative sentences. The construction of sentence is subject, then did not, or you can also write down didn't, the shortened form, first form of verb plus object. Whenever we use did, always we use the first form of verb. वो नहीं आया. He did not come. हारिस ने नहीं खेला या हारिस नहीं खेला. हारिस did not play. तुमने मुझे कलम नहीं दिया. You did not give me a pen. उसने मुझे कहानी नहीं सुनाई. He did not tell me a story. उसने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी. He did not listen to me या he did not listen to my words या my words. Look at the interrogative sentences, dear students. सवालिया जुमले. Did at the beginning, subject, then first form of verb, object and question mark. Did is used at the beginning and always after subject we use first form with it. क्या उज़्मा ने खाना खाया? Did उज़्मा eat meal? क्या फरहान ने लिखा? Did फरहान write? क्या जिब्रान ने पिया? Did जिब्रान drink? क्या ज़फ़र ने मुर्गा खाया? Did ज़फ़र eat the chicken? क्या तुमने सबक पढ़ा? Did you read the lesson? R-E-A-D, the spellings will be same, but the pronunciation of this word will be changed. First form is read, spellings are same, but second form is called read. Now dear students, look at some more examples. आपने खाना खा लिया. You ate meal. आपने खाना नहीं खाया. You did not eat meal. क्या आपने खाना खाया? Did you eat meal? क्या आपने खाना नहीं खाया? This sentence is here interrogative negative sentence. Did you not eat meal? With singular subject. वो आया. He came. वो नहीं आया. He did not come. क्या वो आया? Did he come? क्या वो नहीं आया? Did he not come? This is again interrogative negative sentence. Dear students, second aspect in past tense is past continuous tense. Continuous means continue. The definition is the sentences which tell us that the work was started in the past and it was not complete, that is called past continuous tense. In Urdu, how do we identify? At the end, just like present continuous, we have raha, but at the end we have tha, raha tha, rahe the, rahi thi, rahi थी, रही थी, रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी, and रही थी. Was is used as a helping verb with the first person and third person singular, with third person singular female and it and other singular nouns. So was as a helping verb will be used with the subject I, female and male singulars and it and any singular male or female noun. Were is used as a helping verb with you, we, they and any plural number names. Dear students, first form of verb with ing which is called VG. This form of verb is used in this tense and this is called VG, means present participle form of verb. Dear students, the structure or formation of sentence is subject plus was or were. According to your subject, you select any one of them. Then first form of verb means with ing, with that is called VG and plus object. Now look at the examples. मैं खा रहा था, वो दौड़ रहे थे, हम खेल रहे थे. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस, डियर स्टूडेंट्स मैं खेल रहा था, आई वॉज प्लेइंग। हम लिख रहे थे, वी वर राइटिंग। सना गा रही थी, सना वॉज सिंगिंग। तुम हंस रहे थे, यू वर लाफिंग। वो हॉकी खेल रहा था, ही वॉज प्लेइंग हॉकी। हम लाहौर जा रहे थे, वी वर गोइंग टू लाहौर। नाउ look at the sentences which are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences construction is was, were, any selection of any of them, then subject, first form of verb with ing means VG form, and object at the end question mark. क्या मैं खा रहा था, Was I eating? क्या तुम दौड़ रहे थे, Were you running? क्या शेरी पढ़ रहा था, Was शेरी studying? क्या वकार खेल रहा था, Was वकार playing? Question mark. क्या हम चाँद देख रहे थे, Were we seeing the moon? क्या मैं सोच रहा था, Was I thinking? Question mark. Dear students, now look at the negative sentences. The construction of a sentence or formation is subject, was, were, selection. Then soon after first helping verb, not means selection of was, were, and then you add not. After that you are going to use the VG form or present participle form of verb and then object. Look at the Urdu sentence. मैं नहीं रो रहा था, I was not weeping. हम नहीं गा रहे थे, We were not singing. सना नहीं पढ़ रही थी, सना was not studying. तुम नहीं दौड़ रहे थे, You were not running. मैं सबक नहीं पढ़ रहा था, I was not reading the lesson. Dear students, now this was all about the two aspects of the past tense.